चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Meanwhile, as we move on and cut across to more breaking news coming in on the NEET issue, where the Supreme Court has now issued a notice to NTA over the alleged NEET irregularities. In fact, the Supreme Court has said to the NTA that the sanctity is affected and we need answers. This is on that very important hearing where the Supreme Court was looking into the petition sought over NEET cancellation. The petition that alleged several discrepancies and paper leaks in the NEET undergraduate exam. The Supreme Court hearing that petition today, and a vacation bench consisting of Justices Vikram Nath and Asadun Amanullah, who are hearing the matter, which is the petition that alleges several discrepancies and paper leaks. The National Eligibility cum Entrance Test for undergraduates, where the result was released on the 4th of June. However, this petition that was filed before the results were even declared on the grounds of paper leak and other discrepancies. There has been a lot of outrage over the NEET undergraduate results of 2024, where the NTA is under scrutiny over grace marks that were given. The petition was filed by Shivangi Mishra and 9 others on the 1st of June seeking NEET re-exam. The plea that alleged that NEET undergraduate test held on the 5th of May was riddled with malpractices, as various instances of paper leaks that were witnessed. A special panel was formed to look into the grace marks allegation, where ABVP also hit the streets demanding a CBI probe into the matter. The conducting body of NEET, that is NTA, National Testing Agency, had issued this year's results 10 days before the scheduled date, that is on the 4th of June, and the scorecard link was issued unexpectedly on the day of the Lok Sabha election results. But remember, this particular petition that was filed on the 1st of June, much before the results even came out. The NEET toppers list was released and 67 students were declared AIR1. A huge controversy that broke out soon after.
Clearly समझ में आ रहा है और उनको जवाब भी मिला है that close to about 70 to 80 marks have been awarded in grace marks randomly to at least 1500 students. So our petition is different from the other petitions where we are challenging the arbitrary award of grace marks to people. अगर किसी को 650 मिला है या 630 मिला है, उनको 720 भी मिल गया है. They become all India rank number 1. ऐसे भी हो चुका है. So what we have told the court that there is a very clear issue here. The thing is, since the matter was not listed before the court today, the court has only said आप registry में mention करके इसको list करा दीजिए. So I think by tomorrow the matter should be listed. हमारे मैटर्स के पहले जो मैटर्स लिस्ट हुए थे उसमें ऑलरेडी नोटिस इश्यू हो चुका है. सो द कोर्ट इज इंडिकेटेड दैट आवर मैटर विल आल्सो बी टेकन अप विद द अदर मैटर्स एंड उसमें भी नोटिस इश्यू हो जाना चाहिए. बट द कोर्ट इज क्लियर दैट इट विल नॉट स्टे द काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस एट दिस स्टेज. सो दैट इज व्हाट द कोर्ट हैज सेड. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. कल हमारा मैटर लिस्ट हो जाना चाहिए.